PHUN pumped as we discussed last Friday, guys, and we did even chart analysis update for this entry just below the 25 cent, and we already took our profit twice for PHUN, the first around the 29 cent and then the other profit taken around almost the 40 cent. That's why the price pulled back around this level. We have to discuss in today's video where the price will squeeze to, because the volume is 550 million, over $500 million for PHUN, and we expect another pump for this week. So let's dive deeper and discuss PHUN. And of course, before we start our video, plus the like button and the way and share our live streaming, our video with your friends and family, because every time we do our update daily video, of course right now, and live streaming to hunt for those stocks 30 minutes before the market opens. So join us for tomorrow hunt. So what's the game plan for PHUN, everybody? We have the breakout finally today, before even the market open, around this level, and we won our traders for a breakout for today around the 25. And of course, we went around the second profit taken, as we discussed here on the chart analysis update that we did before on Friday. And we discussed the 46, 35, and 28. So look with me closely where we should expect another volatility and another breakout. Because today we just did 45%. This is in just one day. So we expect another volatility. You know why? Because the short seller that shorted PHUN there, I think we have this short back, last Friday. You see what's happened here? We have a huge seller that opened position around the 31. And this started to cover today, for my opinion, around the 28.80. That's why we have this breakout exactly around the first 5 minutes from the market open, and we've got this jump. Let me just show how much we did. We did 38% in the span of just 2 hours after we make the short seller cover here. So we have to watch out for the other level that we have another cover up for the short seller. You know why? Because if we go in a big picture, we have a huge red candle back in Tuesday, 16th of January, where the short opened around the 45, nearly around the 45. And we have a huge dump down because of the news of offering around the 10 cent. The good thing is we have a recovery right after this huge selling pressure. We have a nice recovery here. Look at this, but it's not straightforward up. So this is good. I don't like this kind of recovery going back down then going back up. It's called V-shaped recovery. I don't like it because sometimes when we have this kind of reaction, we have FOMO buying, and it's not genuine buying pressure. So people who shorted here buy again, we go up again, then we get shorted and we go for another low. But for PHUN, we have more healthier way to recover. First, we have this recovery, then the short seller added here around the 31. We went down, but we still have a new low or a new higher low over the 15 cent. And we continue to do this shape. Look at this. We have another pump up and another ascending channel. So if we go in a smaller picture, we have to watch out for this ascending channel, everybody. If we want to continue to go higher, this should be our support or over the 28 cent. This will be a really confirmation that the market maker is still holding PHUN. And where we should have a breakout like what happened today, around 28. This is the main question everybody asking right now, and that's why you're watching our video for today. We have to expect another volatility for tomorrow, everybody, because PHUN already did a huge pump before the last few years and now started to move again because of Donald Trump. So we can't deny the relationship between Donald Trump and this stock. Of course, PHUN and DWAC have the same relation with Donald Trump. However, we don't care what's going on with Donald Trump. We don't care about the fundamental too much. We have to care about the technical more. Why? Because in fundamentals, sometimes we have mixed signals. We might have a good news and the price go down, and might have a bad news and price go up. Even a bad earnings for many stock, even blue chip company. Sometimes the short seller have kind of a trick. They trick the traders by stop loss hunting and make triggering panic selling in order to buy cheap price for those stocks. So we have to be extremely careful from this kind of manipulation in the market. And everybody knows that there's many manipulation happen for AMC, GameStop. You know why? Because if we have a fake out or manipulation in the market, would be a good opportunity for us to buy the dip. And if the selling pressure was real, it's not good to buy the dip because the price will continue to go down on you. So that's why we have to watch out for the first support for PHUN for today or this week over the 28 to confirm that we don't have any surprises for PHUN before the squeeze. Right now we have to discuss where the squeeze will happen next time. Because if you watch this live or this video and you missed the trade that we already warned you guys about it, there's another opportunity. There's always opportunity in the market. If you miss one entry, there's another entry. If you miss the breakout, you could buy the dip. So there's many strategy in trading. For PHUN right now, we have to watch out for the 47.18. So this is the level that we have to watch out for this stock to jump. But what we should do? This is the main question right now. Okay, we hit the 47. What we should do? There's two reactions. Once we have this test, we might have a huge rejection. What I mean? Let me show you exactly what I mean. It's better. Let me just again do this. Perfect. So we might have the same reaction like this. Price going up, then the rejection happened here. Look at this closely. Around this candle, you see? We don't have a breakout, we have accumulation, then the price continues to go down, and worse, going down and break the 28 and go down for a new low. So this is the reaction that we don't want for PHUN. On the other hand, if we have this reaction, let me just show you. Boom. And put it there. And put it there like this. Oh man, this is really good if we have this reaction. Huge buying pressure. Let me just put it really near. Huge buying pressure, breaking the resistance and going directly to the first profit taken around the 55. Then we have a pullback, then continue to the second profit taken around the 66. This is the reaction that we should expect for PHUN if we have a breakout and squeeze, breaking the resistance without any rejection. Even if we have a rejection, we don't want to go below the 28. So this is the reaction that we should expect by tomorrow pre-market, because this reaction could happen in pre-market or once the market open, like today. Once the first 5 minutes, we have this breakout. So we have to be patient for this stock to squeeze. We can't push any trade. We can't say, okay, we were waiting 5 hours, there's nothing, and you just stop watching the stock. This is what happened to me when I waited for a stock to jump for days, not even hours, imagine. Then I stopped watching it, I don't put alert, and I missed the trade. The trade went to 100% up, and I know exactly where I should take profit. I know exactly where should I enter. But I did one mistake, is not doing this. Let me just show you. Here on TradingView, there is alert. You can set up alert for a breakout. So let us do it right now before I forget. For PHUN 47, let's say 30. Perfect. So for this one, we have alert around the 47.30. If we have a test over there or breakout, boom. We're gonna get alerted by email and here on the web browser on TradingView. Whatever the case will be, we'll be ready to hunt. Stay tuned for a huge update for PHUN tomorrow on our live streaming. And of course, before that, on our live streaming here, 20 hours, or not 20 hours, but 2 hours before the market open on and US market open. So if you want to join early hunt on our picture on Discord, you can on the link in comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.